Hello, Kelly Blatnik with Blatnik Law, here to discuss permissive arbitration exemptions. In Clark County, Nevada, if a matter is greater than $15,000, it qualifies to be filed in district court. If the matter involves less than $50,000 of damages per plaintiff, it is qualified to be in arbitration. By default, most matters go into arbitration unless a motion for arbitration is filed, or a request for exemption from arbitration. They don't call it a motion, they call it a request, but it is essentially a motion. There are 10 categories of cases that are automatically exempted. Those relate to class actions, equitable claims, title to real property, incarcerated persons, and parties that have already arbitrated. I have another video that explains them. But this video focuses on the permissive means of getting out of arbitration. The permissive means of getting out of arbitration are that each plaintiff, not all together, but each plaintiff has more than $50,000 worth of damages. There is a significant issue of public policy that should be addressed by the court. That there are unusual circumstances that constitute good cause for removal for the program, or that it's a claim for professional negligence. Professional negligence claim is a permissive exemption, not to be confused with medical malpractice, which is an automatic exemption. So when you're coming up with your reasons to get out of arbitration, you need to look at the number one thing that people look at is, do you have more than $50,000 worth of damages per plaintiff? I've seen some attorneys and even some parties mistakenly take 4 or 5 plaintiffs together and say, oh, altogether we have more than $50,000, and that's not the appropriate. It's per plaintiff. So if you want to get out of arbitration so that you can skip around that step and go straight to the district court and get into discovery and trial, if you're not automatically exempted, you're going to need to make a request for exemption, and you need to prove up to the arbitrator, the court, why the damages are in excess of $50,000 or why it's a matter of public policy. So just be sure that you get your request for exemption from arbitration filed timely, because if you file it late, you're more likely than not going to be sanctioned. If you like my videos, please feel free to subscribe and make comments in the comment section regarding whether you like the video and what subject you'd like me to discuss in the future.